Hello, sir. Today I'm going to share two solutions for easy tear performance of the small sachet. This is the first one. You can see this is a coffee sachet. Here is easy cut mark, and we can see here is there is a laser score line here. And here, laser score line here. Also this side. Yeah, so it's very easy when we tear it. Yeah, tear from here. It's very easy. Yeah, just because the laser score line. And for other part, we can't tear it very easy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is the number one solution. Okay, here is the number two. This sachet is made by Easy Tear film laminated. We can tear the sachet from anywhere. It's easy to tear. Yeah. We can check there is no tear line. Yeah. I can tear it very easily from everywhere. Yeah. From everywhere I can tear it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.